Wondering how to withdraw money from GoCrypto app? Here's what you need to know before using it. First, you want to open the GoCrypto app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. On the home page, you'll see your virtual balance with sections for free refund, invested money, and profits. Naturally, you might expect a withdrawal option here, but you won't find one. That's because GoCrypto is not a real trading app. It's a simulation platform designed for educational purpose only. The app lets you practice trading with real-time market data, but the balance you see is virtual. You can explore buying and selling coins like Bitcoin or Bonk, join tournaments, and even test mining features. But no actual funds can be cashed out. While GoCrypto is great for learning how trading works and preparing for real investments, it does not support real money deposits or withdrawal. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.